The latest coming in the Ghaziabad suitcase mystery, where a woman who was considered to have been murdered has now turned up alive in Aligarh. Now the Bulandshahr cops who are probing this case have said that the woman's in-laws who were arrested will remain arrested in this entire case. However, they have been arrested for domestic violence, but the dowry death charges in the sections will now be removed from the FIR. However, the Ghaziabad police will now restart its entire effort of finding out whose dead body was in the suitcase.
जिस महिला का शव प्राप्त हुआ था उसका बिसरा सुरक्षित कर लिया गया था, क्योंकि उसमें मृत्यु का कारण स्पष्ट नहीं था। दूसरा, चूँकि पुलिस को यह आशंका थी कि हो सकता है शिनाख्त में गलती हो जाए, इसलिए उसका डीएनए संरक्षित करा लिया गया था, ताकि भविष्य में अगर कभी इस तरह की कोई समस्या आए तो उसका निराकरण किया जा सके। और आज चूँकि महिला जीवित लौट आई है और इसके बयानों से स्पष्ट है कि इसके साथ दहेज प्रताड़ना, मारपीट हुआ है। अतः जो अपराध इसके भाई द्वारा दर्ज कराया गया था उसमें से धारा 304B को विलोपन किया जा रहा है, क्योंकि महिला जिंदा है। शेष धाराएं दहेज उत्पीड़न की धारा, मारपीट की धाराएं यथावत रहेंगी और इसमें हम कल न्यायालय को सूचित कर रहे हैं। साथ ही गाजियाबाद पुलिस को इस संबंध में अवगत करा दिया गया है कि उनके यहाँ 27 तारीख को बंद डकैती में जो अज्ञात महिला का शव मिला था, जिसकी शिनाख्त वरीशा के रूप में की गई थी, वो शिनाख्त गलत पाई गई है। उस संबंध में वो अपने स्तर से अग्रिम वैधानिक कार्रवाई करें।
So this is a case of a very bizarre intercity goof-up that has come to light. Remember, earlier we had reported on 23rd of July that the dead body of a woman was found in a suitcase, and following which there was a lot of investigation that was done. Now it turns out that the cops wrongly identified the body and informed the family. The woman's family allegedly wrongly identified the body as well. The cops later rushed to arrest the woman's husband and in-laws. However, the entire mystery of the body in the suitcase still remains unsolved at this point. So there are several aspects which now are being looked into. And remember, this is what the cops had claimed. They said that the dead body of a woman named Varisha, the woman had gone missing on July 23rd. The family alleged murder by in-laws and husbands. But this is what really happened. The woman had fled to Noida after being assaulted by the husband. The woman found out her family identified the wrong body. Later, the woman came out and identified herself as Varisha. But however, the larger mystery still remains of whose body is it in the suitcase that is there in Ghaziabad. So those are the updates coming in. But this again exposes the bizarre goof-up and a big embarrassment there for the UP police in this entire case, which was investigating this matter. Now, this also, let's tell you about the sequence of events and what really happened. Now, on July 23rd, the woman named Varisha went missing in Bulandshahr. 25th of July, just 2 days later, the case registered at the Bulandshahr police station, following which on 27th, the body in a suitcase was found in Ghaziabad. Let me bring in my colleague Alok for further updates on this. Alok, tell us the details that are coming in, because this is quite bizarre what has happened. Again, not the first time we're looking at such a goof-up there coming in, but there are several aspects which needs to be looked at. What are the cops claiming and what really happened in the first place?
Well, Apurva, there are three things that need to know. That first is there is misidentification was done. The second is that her husband was arrested without proper investigation. And the third is that about the woman's body, that whose body is, because now it has again comes out that whose body was lying inside the suitcase which was recovered on 27th of July from Ghaziabad. Because there are two district police who are investigating this case. First, Ghaziabad police investigated this case. They tried to establish the identity of the woman whose body was recovered, and they found out that this woman is belonging to Aligarh, and she had married to a man is living in Bulandshahr 1 month ago, and now the police has found out that this woman is alive. So definitely all these things raises question that what was the hurry of identifying that woman, because yesterday that woman came out and she said that that her family members and the police has identified a wrong woman as her body, and so that's why it was very important for her to come out and tell the truth. So definitely It has shocked both the district police, whether it's Bulandshahr or whether it's Ghaziabad. Now the Ghaziabad police say that they have again started the investigation in the case of the body that was recovered on 27th of July. whose body is this. Now the police has again started that investigation. On the other side, Bulandshahr police said that they had arrested her husband in that case and the allegation of the murder. So they are removing the section of the dowry death, but there will be the section of domestic violence remain into the FIR because the woman had said that she was beaten up by her husband and that's why she escaped from Bulandshahr. So this is the status of this case. So further investigations are on.
All right, Alok, many thanks for joining us with those updates.